Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Max, the place where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, giving you the latest reviews, specs, and insights on the hottest two-wheel machines on the market. If you love motorcycles as much as we do, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now let's talk about the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator, a bike that's redefining the cruiser segment with its perfect blend of style, performance, and modern technology. Let's get into it. Let's talk about the heart of the Eliminator, the engine. Under the tank sits a 451 cubic centimeters parallel twin liquid-cooled engine, which is derived from the same powerhouse that Kawasaki uses in its Ninja 400 series, but tuned specifically for cruiser performance. It delivers around 45 horsepower and 30 lb-ft of torque, providing a smooth and linear power delivery. Unlike bulky V-twin cruisers that can sometimes feel sluggish at lower speeds, this parallel twin engine ensures the Eliminator has enough pep to keep things exciting while remaining easy to control. Kawasaki has also equipped it with an assist and slipper clutch, which reduces the effort needed to pull in the clutch lever, making stop-and-go traffic much less of a hassle. Plus, it prevents rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts, ensuring a smoother ride. The 6-speed gearbox is well-spaced, allowing for relaxed cruising while still having enough low-end grunt to zip through city streets. Moving on to the chassis and suspension, the 2025 Eliminator is built on a lightweight trellis frame that provides excellent stability without adding unnecessary bulk. The suspension setup consists of telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, offering a balanced ride that absorbs bumps well while keeping the bike planted during turns. Kawasaki has done a great job ensuring that the suspension is neither too stiff nor too soft, striking a perfect middle ground for everyday riders. The braking system is equally impressive. It comes equipped with a single disc brake at the front and rear, both paired with ABS as standard. This ensures controlled braking, even in wet conditions or emergency stops. The 18-inch front wheel and 16-inch rear wheel combination not only contribute to the bike's classic cruiser look, but also enhance handling and ride comfort. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the 2025 Eliminator performs quite well for a cruiser. With a fuel economy of around 60 miles per gallon, it's a great option for those looking for a stylish yet economical bike for daily rides. The 3.4-gallon fuel tank may seem on the smaller side, but thanks to its efficient engine, you can still get a respectable range before needing to refuel. Now let's talk about who this bike is for. If you're a beginner or an intermediate rider looking for a cruiser that's not intimidating but still fun to ride, the Eliminator is a fantastic choice. It has enough power to keep things exciting without being overwhelming, and the lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver. Even for experienced riders looking for a stylish and practical city cruiser, this bike checks a lot of boxes. Now, let's talk about pricing. Kawasaki has positioned the 2025 Eliminator as a budget-friendly cruiser, making it accessible to a wider range of riders. While exact prices may vary depending on your region and optional accessories, the base model is expected to start at around $7,000, with the SE variant costing slightly more. Given the features, build quality, and performance, this bike offers excellent value for the price. So, is the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're looking for a stylish city commuter, a weekend cruiser, or a beginner-friendly motorcycle with a bit of attitude, the Eliminator delivers on all fronts. It's a modern twist on a classic name, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge technology, making it a standout option in the cruiser segment. And that wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Kawasaki Eliminator. What do you think about this bike? Would you ride one? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Max for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and updates. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and stay awesome. See you in the next video.